Hello student, good afternoon. So I am teaching you impact object. The following are the contents of this chapter. The liquid first content, the liquid comes out in the form of jet from the outlet of nozzle which is fitted to a pipe through which the liquid is flowing under pressure. So the following cases of the impact of jet, that is the force exerted by the jet of water on a plate, will be considered. So the first case, the force exerted by a jet on a stationary plate. In the first case, the following are the cases, that is, first, A, plate is vertical to the jet. B, plate is inclined to the jet. C, plate is curved. Then second case, the force exerted by jet on moving plate. In that case, the following are the three cases. A, plate is vertical to the jet. B, plate is inclined to the jet. And C, plate is curved. So let us study the first case, the force exerted by the jet on a stationary vertical plate. Consider a jet of water coming out from the nozzle strikes the vertical plate. So let V is the velocity of the jet, D is the diameter of jet, small e is the area of cross section of the jet. The force exerted by the jet on the plate in the direction of jet. So Fx equal to rate of change of momentum in the direction of force. Rate of change of momentum in the direction of force equal to initial momentum minus final momentum divided by time, equal to momentum is nothing but the mass multiplied by initial velocity. That is, initial momentum equal to mass multiplied by initial velocity minus mass multiplied by final velocity divided by time. Therefore, mass divided by time, mass will take common, divided by time in bracket, initial velocity minus final velocity, bracket complete, equal to mass, time is measured in second, that is mass per second multiplied by, in bracket, initial velocity, that is equal to velocity of jet before striking minus final velocity of jet after striking the plate. That is equal to rho AV in bracket V minus 0, bracket complete. Therefore, Fx equal to rho AV square. Next, we'll see the force exerted by the jet on the moving plate. First case, force on the flat moving plate in the direction of the jet. Consider a jet of water strikes the flat moving plate moving with a uniform velocity away from the jet. Let V equal to velocity of the jet. Small a equal to area of cross section of the jet and capital U equal to velocity of flat plate. Relative velocity of the jet with respect to plate, that is equal to V minus U. Mass of water striking per second on the plate equal to rho A in bracket V minus U bracket complete. Force exerted by jet on the moving plate in the direction of jet Fx equal to mass of water striking per second multiply by in bracket initial velocity minus final velocity bracket complete. Therefore, Fx equal to rho A in bracket V minus U bracket complete in bracket V minus U bracket complete minus final velocity, that is equal to 0, therefore minus 0, equal to Fx equal to rho A in bracket V minus U bracket square. In this case, work is done by the jet on the plate. As the plate is moving, for stationary plate the work done is 0. Work done by the jet on the plate, flat moving plate equal